Needless to say, bonsai can be pretty tough work sometimes. And in order to have good progression and good results in a more efficient way, getting a bonsai work table is the way to go. When I'm looking for a new product to invest in, I'm looking for functionality, quality, and price. Let's take a look at some of the different solutions and tables that are out there and some of the alternative things that you can do in order to get a good working table. Welcome to Bonsaitalk. Let's talk about the garage stool or the bar stool first. I think this is a great solution for the new beginner or the novice bonsai enthusiast. I think this is the solution to go to if you're not comfortable making a large investment or actually spending a lot of money on just a single unit. I mean, these tables are so cheap you can actually build many of them if you have a lot of trees. They are heavy duty, they are very easy to modify into a bonsai working table. You just rip the padding off and you just glue some plastic mat in order to hold the bonsai in place on top of the surface. I think I use a car mat or something on mine. I have one now in the garage, which I've used for years. The downside of the bar stool is that you cannot adjust the height. Another thing is that they are a little bit wobbly because you cannot adjust the feet. That's also pretty bad. But other than that, they are a perfect choice to go to if you want to invest in something more of a bonsai work table. Next up is the modeling sculpturing stand, which is something of an underdog when we're talking about bonsai working tables. It's all made out of wood. It looks very nice. It has adjustable height. This unit I think is made out of oak or beech, and that's very sturdy, good wood materials to work with. They will be somewhere around 240 euros to $300 if you're going to buy these. So they are just a little bit juicy. The construction is right, but this needs modification. It doesn't have any rubber feet, doesn't have any rubber on top. The construction is also somewhat a little bit unreliable and unpractical. This is wood, so if this breaks, the whole thing will just break. Next table is the grooming table for small to middle-sized animals. And this is also one way of an alternative solution. But I do think that this is one of the best solutions out there because they have everything that I want from a table. They got functionality, they have the quality, and they have the price right. This table is adjustable in height. It has a big, huge diameter on the surface. It has a lock in place. You can spin it around. It will be probably good for 100 kilos at least to put on top, and that's enough for me. These tables can be found pretty much everywhere online. You can get them from a pet store as well. They go for around 104 euros to $130. So the downside of the coin and the not so good things about this table is that it's pretty heavy. So if you're going to carry this around for a whole day and move from one location to another, you need to be strong or have a friend that can help you. And the other thing is that it needs assembly. You need to assemble this piece in order to have it function as you want it to. And I think there was some bolts and some bricks that didn't fit it perfectly, so I had to change those. Fortunately, I have those things in my garage, but still, you know. And then there are the professional bonsai tables, like the imported Japanese tables or the green tea, for example. Now, the good thing about these tables are that they are well designed. They are constructed in such way that they should fit every need for the bonsai enthusiast. They are pretty lightweight also, still heavy duty, and they are user friendly. But they are definitely not taking in consideration everyone in the bonsai community. They are just too expensive for that. 4 grooming tables is the same cost as one Japanese imported bonsai table. The thing is that the parts are very similar. They are all made in China. I do think that if you are a professional or a semi-professional bonsai enthusiast, this might be the best choice for you, that's for sure. That's it. That's everything that we had for today. And I hope that this gave you more inspiration and information about choosing the right bonsai work table that's most suitable for you. I will see you in a Bonsaitalk future near you. Peace.